Good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Arby from Fun Fishing Barbados. We are here at Graeme Hall Nature Sanctuary. Let's take a look and see what's going on the inside. Come on.
Tickets. That's the ticket. The prices, adults, kids.
Right now we're feeling thirsty. Thirsty? Some water.
About cafe domain here. No.
There's. Everybody the ticket booth waiting to get our tickets. Yeah. So we go over here. Iguana. I jump with the trees. Yeah. Boy, come thought you were there.
Your fish are always in there.
Don't move it. Just look for it. Your glasses off and look for it. To see for that?
You could go tree bigger when you want that.
Eagle on there. Cross spray. Cross spray. Put your eyes in this.
Yeah, guys. So I'm actually looking at an eagle that flew here all the way from Scotland.
Bringing.
It was born in? I thought you say flying.
No.
Huh?
It flew in. Oh.
3,800 miles.
Oh.
Guys, it flew in from Scotland. I wish you guys could see it. Okay, so we are heading over to a different side. So guys, meet Donald up.
But they're pretty. They're green and you can't touch them though. They're green and it's blue. They're pretty.
So this remind me when I used to come through here as a little boy, you know. We used to come all about here crabbing and thing. True. Honestly, right? The guy got good crabs and thing, but here for the night. Crabs gonna be coming. I would love to come through here. They should got something for crabbing. People that want to do crabbing, that they could come and catch crabs and thing on the night. For real. That would be a nice thing to do.
It's a very nice scenery.
You walk across a little bridge here, you know.
They said we approaching the turtles.
Yeah. You ever get a respiring, huh? Yeah. Let me see if I can show you guys some fish. Some little fish in the water. Let me see. I can't ever see fish like how I used to see like tilapias and all that there. Yeah, big weird. Godzilla.
Got them out here.
Try to get him.
You right there, right. So this one is
Scarping.
1st in July and August, and they can fly all the way down through the Caribbean, Barbados, through Guyana, Brazil, all the way down to Patagonia, Argentina. The older birds, as I say, can leave first, the mommy and daddies, and then they can leave the children because they need to fatten up and stuff for the journey. They can leave in like September, October, make the same journey all the way down through here. They can leave first in July and August, and then the younger birds can leave September.
These are real things to the motto.
All these birds we have here, on display, are all birds that I rescued and donated to Graeme. These are birds we broke. He's in male plumage right now. He will, he's the only male in there, and the other 5 are female. They're just plain brown with blue and there. The 4th out, he got live with 5 girls.
It filming already. So we gotta look at some parts here.
Ooh, the parrot's pretty. No, that's sorry, that's somebody seeing. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Ooh, the parrot's pretty.
Step on the mat with 4 feet. Yeah, come in.
Oh.
Welcome to the Gully Every.
Yeah. That's the feedy birds. So you can start if you want feeding little ones. Yeah? See if,
Heading ones those not country.
oh,
You can feed the claws here or the sun corners down the bottom. No, you want.
you come in feed food up. He ain't gonna pick you. Nah, boy, you get. Oh, he gonna take it out your hand.
He would take it on my hand.
Yeah. Just,
Oh, really? That's
just for you hand flat.
There you go, good for it. You afraid of? You had snake on your neck and all, so I think.
I ain't had to see us rolling
I
there.
mean, at Agrofest.
Oh, yeah.
See you gentle?
No.
Let me take a picture with me.
This way?
You want to feed it?
He's sweet, boy. You got some pretty for me. They cut the food.
You got more food?
Want me to?
Yeah, you ready one?
Ready, Graeme?
Right there.
He's sweet. I got aloe in there. Right off here, she's sweet.
Come on. Just shake your hand.
Oh my god, that is okay, I don't want them to come off yet.
I want to come from my hand.
No, get the tree.
no.
You gotta tease him.
You gotta go fly over, go.
You gonna do what?
He can come over himself.
You come over yourself?
Mommy,
Open your hand and see tree. Alright, wait till you finish.
Yeah.
Don't let you get it. It's called.
He mashing it up.
Tease it.
Oh.
No.
Don't be scared.
Don't be
Stay with you. No, they're not gonna like you. They will not like you.
So who are trying to fly plane?
Wait till you finish.
Go, buddy, go.
I want it like this one.
Go, buddy.
Good.
No, I want to get.
Oh.
Go.
Give me some. I want
No,
it to
no
go back
more.
on
You
my
won't
hand.
have enough now.
I want it to go back on
Okay, Tess, wait.
See how you came for the treat?
Give me some.
I told you to drop in that water. That's no
Put
good.
it on teeth.
Cause it's so big, boy. Ain't bigger than a Roy one. Spread.
I want to see when he spread, boy. He must have looked so sweet.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh my god, the last time I get here,
When he's spraying it, so
Look how fat it look.
Yeah.
Right. So you can help me record that, right?
yeah, he coming for you.
Yeah, blessed with do the same thing. You hear a snap back, you know.
You ready?
Yes.
Come sit down right here. You ready with the camera?
Yeah, yeah, ready.
You ready? Sit down. I want you to sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Give me a bag, give me a bag, give me a bag. I saw frightened, you know. Don't be scared. Come on. Wait, you have to bring it over. Come, she's fear. Come, Avina. Move from me, move from me.
He's not going to lose his touching. Look at the camera.
Look at, look at.
Right to me. If you try to touch him, he's going to run out.
Big good tilapia's over there. Yeah, Dale, your favorite budgies up in the tree. Over by that rock there, there's a big guana, a big guana boy. Yeah, you looking at me too? Take that lane up. Look at this lane here, look. Oh, they we ain't getting. Okay, guys, so that brings us to the end of our tour through Graeme Hall. It's Graeme Hall Nature, that's it. Graeme Hall Nature Sanctuary. And it was a very, very exciting journey. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, peoples. Don't forget to subscribe.
I had a nice time. Very nice. What about you, Mia?
It wasn't bad. Yeah.
It was very nice.
All right, again, to the gap and see what I got through there.
It just
Please, what you say? Yeah. I'll show you where the place is. Come here a little bit. Yeah, people, so we're gonna head through St. Lawrence Gap now. All of this is through my girlfriend's birthday. Yeah. Last night was dinner, but it wasn't as we expected. Dinner sucked last night. The service was really poor. I didn't enjoy it at all, and it wasn't no greeting or nothing. So until you walk in this business place, everybody just staring at you like it's a total stranger. For real. I see some white people walking and they was greeted. But as soon as a black couple walking, nobody in country assist me. Now that we had to figure out everything for ourselves. So and they're going back there again. And that restaurant is in Whole Town. Yep. Worst restaurant I ever been to. And the food suck. Right? We just stopped for some lunch. Be a outfit matching back with the colors of the food boxes. So he got me a wall box.
you got a big box.
Yeah, big box. Big box.